CRL liquidations, where we open unclaimed, undelivered mail. But today
we're doing something different. We got some Amazon returns, so we're gonna see what we got.
And if you're new here, I'm Priscilla. This is Crystal. And
Hi.
If you like our channel, subscribe. It's free. And hit the thumbs up. That way we can keep our channel going. All right. Well, we're going to
get started. This is going to be fun. Turn your phone off.
Sorry.
Thought you did that.
Text.
What in the world? Okay. Alright. So some of it's like boxes as we pull
you want
out.
to set it on the floor? And
Yeah, we can do that. We're going to set it next to us and then pull it out because it's like in boxes where you can see what it is. Alright. And up there. Over the, I know. There it goes. Okay. Alright. So, let's see what we got. We got a coffee maker.
The box is open on this, but
it's a back scratcher is what I thought it said.
could be.
Back scrubber.
Yep, back scrubber.
We got some kid masks. They look like to be Halloween. So kids masks.
LCD writing tablet.
Is
Okay.
that the tablet or the? Oh,
This
it's a
tablet.
little tablet. Okay.
Wow. Okay.
It says magnetic SL. I wonder if it's magnetic lashes.
I don't know. Pull it up on your phone and see.
And it's still sealed in the thing. What's that?
This is like a handicap bar or something. And it just definitely looks like it's used, like a shower thing. I don't know.
Alright, let's see what this is. This, I have no idea what it is. It legit is just looks like a box. Oh, it's a Lazy Susan.
Oh, sweet.
So, Lazy Susan, that's nice. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna move this coffee pot.
Actually got a bag. Okay.
What is this?
Face shields.
Those are like the hospital ones.
Yeah. That's
From Fuchsia scent. It has 18 lavender fragrance balls in there.
Legos.
This is it's an anime blanket. Oh, it's ribbon. Ribbon.
Those dog gloves or?
I don't know if it's a dog glove. It's a Star Hands reusable silicone bathroom, car, and more. So it's one of those the gloves that have a little scrubber to scrub like your car and kitchen and bathroom and
Hand sanitizer. And gel, whatever.
let's see, what is this?
Door guards. Really good time of the year for these. And another one of them.
Oh, this is broke. It was like a little light bulb that had lights inside of it, but it's broke. So those are broke.
Both of them.
I don't know. Yeah, both of them.
So that's trash. That's it.
That was it for that. So this is the Amazon returns. So we got a cute little coffee maker,
Back scrubber.
anime blanket. The Lazy Susan was pretty cool.
Yeah, Lazy Susie. Light bulbs, the door guards, and the face shields, the tablet, LCD writing tablets.
Those look a little good.
Yeah. So,
And to put it all together, hand sanitizer.
I was gonna
So
try
you
to
can
scan
wash
it.
your hands afterwards.
Definitely. Okay, so that was the Amazon return box.
So if you, like she said, like our channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button. Of course, this one was a little different than what we're used to, but go ahead and tune in because we get very interesting stuff.
Yeah, you never know what we might
You
get.
never know.